Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan, and today, Tuesday, 21 November 2023, I have a few potential trade setups to discuss where I will try to get long on the yen, the Aussie and the New Zealand, and I'll try to short the CAD, the US dollar and the Swiss franc. My first pick of the day is a potential long on the pound CAD, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. Pound CAD forming this nice triangle, rising bottoms, falling tops. We had the break. Now I'm looking for the retest of this falling trend line. If you look at the pound there, much stronger than the CAD. Pound's a little bit neutral, but way stronger than the CAD. So this is a way of getting short CAD by being long pound CAD. I would look for some bottom bullish pattern reversals, and then I'll take some longs. Then the New Zealand US, we've got this open trade since Friday morning. We have covered this on the hammer candle. We had multiple options here: morning star, breakout, retest, hammer candle, the break. And then last night we hit the first target. We've set at this high. We trailed the stop loss this morning to this low. You can see on the live stream, guys, where I place the stops and how I manage and handle that. The final target for this trade is still just below the 1.27 Fibonacci levels, but I've selected the round level there at 6100, just below that, because that gets close to the 1.27. So that'll be the final target of my trade. If this one is a good one, if I get that final target, I will then have a 1 to 3.5 risk reward in this trade. So that means you've risked 1%, you make 3.5% portfolio gain on this trade. We got T1, the first target in the bank. We closed half hour trade. Now stop loss in the money. Let's hope we can get the target. Nothing new for today. On retracements, I will get interested, but for now, I'm just focusing on the open trade. In the US Swiss, we also got this break yesterday, the retest there, and on the 1 hour chart on the live stream, I showed you this trade, the test, the bearish engulfing. I said half a position, so if you took a half a position there, you could have done the retracement. I was waiting for a 4 hour candle reversal, never got that, so I never added to the trade, so I'm still only in just a half a position. But that was the 1 hours there. Now that we saw a new low here, you can see there, a new low this morning on the 1 hour chart. Remember, it was a 1 hour entry, now a 1 hour new low. So I then trailed the stop loss from that high, plus my normal 10-12 slippage that I give. You can see the exact levels of stop losses on the live streaming on YouTube. In the Aussie yen, this one failed yesterday. I pointed out this level here. We got the bounce, very nice 1 hour morning star. Beautiful candle, guys, nothing wrong with the candle. We had the long black, the small, long white closing above the halfway mark. We got into the trade last night just before I shut down. I showed that I'm trailing the stop loss because it made a new high there. We got a little double bottom there. Didn't add to the trade because that was almost midnight, so no. But I did trail the stop loss from this low to that low, so that reduces my risk with about 20-25%. So this was half a position again because of the yen strength coming in yesterday. I was nervous about the yen, so going long on the Aussie yen means I'm shorting the yen. So that's why I took half the position that I usually will take, plus I trailed the stop loss. So my loss was very, very small in comparing to a full position. I'm glad now in hindsight that I did listen to the strengthening of the yen. Don't know if the Bank of Japan is involved, no idea, but that worried me. So I didn't step aside completely. I'm a trader, I need to be in the trades, but I did reduce my risk when I saw that, and for the good. And lovely, a trailing stop loss. So 4 pips less stop loss than what I would have had originally. Nothing new then for today here. Aussie yen now very close to each other up there. I would think we're going to go sideways for today here. So I'm taking this off my watch list. In the Euro CAD, drew in the Fibonacci from here to there. Very nice support level coming here at the 61% Fib level. So this market structure I'm getting interested in on the Euro CAD. Euro still stronger than the CAD. CAD very weak. Yes, Euro losing steam, but comparing it with the CAD, I'm still fine with that. If it retraces so far today, I will start to look for some longs at this structure here. Euro US was insatiable, but now losing speed. So these highs at the 50% level on the Fibonacci, between the 50 and the 61, let's call it that. I will look for bottom reversals, and then I'll take some longs. On the Aussie US, big retracement needed for this. Highly doubt if that's going to happen today, but still Aussie US, I need to have them on my watch list. Big run up the page, 61 to 50% or 50 to 61% retracement. There's a very good structure coming in here, which I'll get interested in. Otherwise, I'm going to need some consolidation and then a breakout trade. But for now, I'm hoping later this week to get a retracement. In the pound US, pound much stronger than the dollar. We've got this nice consolidation, the break. Some of you took this trade out, so you're still doing well with that. Now the retracement, I'll get interested on the retest here, this lateral support and this retest here later this week. I don't think it will happen for today. Aussie CAD also need a deep retracement back to the structure right at the 61% Fibonacci level, and that's Aussie CAD. So that's one of the better ones to be long in. The Aussie, and I want to be short on CAD, so definitely one of the better ones for today or maybe later this week. In Euro Swiss, also interested in the retracement. Euro there, Swiss there, Euro still outperforming, getting dangerously close to each other. So I will make sure that the relative strength is still in line by the time it gets back down here. So guys, if you don't have this indicator, come to the live stream. It runs for about 12 hours a day. You can come anytime to the live stream and see what is the situation on the RS. In the New Zealand Swiss, nice run up the page here. Now I'm waiting for the retest at the 50%. So this is the first one I'll be interested in. New Zealand very strong, Swiss very weak or losing a lot of steam in any case, but weak. So I would like to see a retest. Then I'll consider some longs on bottom pattern reversals. Aussie Swiss. Also, this last swing up here, retracement to this market structure is right at the 50% level. Aussie there, Swiss there, I'm good with that. I'll wait for some pattern reversals when it retraces back to this level for some longs. In the New Zealand CAD, also big one, we had this consolidation, we had the break. If it then comes back to retest this structure here, you can see resistance, support, so that could become support yet again by the time it gets down there. Yes, I will also keep my eye on this, but for now that's not my attention for today. I will focus on this level for today. New Zealand up there, CAD there, definitely one of the better setups. CAD is very weak in general, and New Zealand, after losing some speed yesterday on a stage, it regained it last night a lot to be back at number one. So I'm very keen on this. In the pound Australian dollar, this last swing here, trend has turned bearish. The retracement at 61% right at that market structure there. And if you connect these two lines for a little consolidation breakout, this could be a retest of that area also. So with the pound being weaker than the yen and the yen picking up a lot of speed, I would love to have a look at that area there once we hit that levels. I'll be interested in some top pattern reversals for some shorts. Then my favorite trade idea for today is still a potential long on the SP 500. But first, please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any specific educational videos for you. Also, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my daily trade ideas. Now let's get back to the SP 500. Same as yesterday, flat top, rising bottoms, the break, solid break. I'm looking for the retest on a very weak dollar. Remember, weak dollar is stock market bullish. So on the retest here, I'll look for 1 hour or 4 hour pattern reversals to see if I can get some longs here. But trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.